Hey guys, what is up? Cassidy here with another unboxing right here. And Homewood fingerboards. Yeah. Homewood fingerboards. Alrighty, gentlemen. Moment of truth. Alrighty guys, I'm just going to show you what this is. I got a purple plaid shop deck right here, and I got a plain maple shop deck to go along with my red shop deck and my Homewood wheels. So Justin made me a little card that says, "Hey James, thanks again for the order. Hope you enjoy the deck and wheels," because I also ordered some wheels, but we'll get to that right now. "And I hope you can try Homewood new molds someday, Justin." Well, Justin, if you're watching this, I plan to buy one very, very soon, because these decks are just simply amazing. I wanted to buy, let's see if you can see that. See that concave in there? And those kicks. I wanted to buy some more of these because the pop just feels amazing. If you can. And riding it for over a month, it hasn't lost its pop yet. So it still feels great. And along with every deck, see, I already knew this, he sends, I don't know what this is, I think this is no comply tape, I think, I'm not sure. But he also sends, oh, this is a sticker I haven't gotten before. This came with the last order I got, along with this one and the one that I put on my tech deck box right here, this one. But he sent me another one. Here's another one. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this one's awesome. So, anyways, and I bought some shop wheels, 2 sets, a blue set and a white set, and for the price you just can't beat these. They just feel amazing. They make a little bit of noise, but I think that's because I got dirt in them. Probably something a little WD-40 can't fix. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm going to be writing a review soon on Fingerboard HQ. So yeah. Thanks guys. Take it easy. No.